Hey VV Nation, welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Glenn Tompkins, Senior Instructor here at our VectorVest YouTube channel. And I love bringing these videos to your attention. Why? Because we pride ourselves on being able to give you the best information to help you to make money in the market. And for the past few weeks, we've been talking about some of the tools that are in the system. Well, today we're going to talk about another tool that can only be found in the VectorVest system by way of its powerful watch list. Now, I'm going to show you how to utilize this watch list, how to create this watch list. And then most of all, if you stay with me to the end, I'm going to show you how to manage the trades once you've gotten into them by looking at the unique indicators that we have in the system. Now, this is what I call a hit list, and everyone can do this. And another reason why I wanted to do this video is because there's a lot of mobile users out there saying, these videos that you're showing, can I use in the mobile app? This video, yes, you can. Everybody who's got the mobile app has the ability to do what I'm getting ready to show today, number one. And then number two, Patrick France does an excellent job every Thursday on showing people how to effectively use the mobile app every Thursday at 11 o'clock here on this YouTube channel. All right, so you're looking at my list. My list, I have made 88 stocks. Over time, just looking at stocks in the news, stocks on Twitter, stocks on everywhere that catch my attention, I automatically put them into this watch list. Now, that's why this is called my hit list. It's a list of stocks that have caught my attention, and I'm going to pay attention to them every single day. But I'm going to show you how to utilize this 3 different ways. Now, my watch list may not be like your watch list, and that's fine. Remember, your stocks and your watch list and your hit list of stocks that have caught your attention, whereas these are the ones that have caught my attention. And a lot of these stocks, because they've caught my attention, I've done videos on the YouTube channel about. CPRX, found a long time ago. It's made me a lot of money. But as I put this stock into my watch list, very quickly, I can discern what I need to know no matter what type of investor I am. First thing I'm going to look at. These lists are automatically sorted by VST. Now, a lot of people out there says, well, I don't need VectorVest because everything that they have, I can get for free. And I'm going to say this to that. No, you can't. Our indicators are proprietary-based indicators only found in the VectorVest system. We've been using them over 30 years and nobody else has them. Why is that important? Well, if you go out to your broker and build a watch list, it's just a list of stocks. The power once you build a VectorVest watch list is that it's automatically ranked by our master indicator VST. So the stock that has the best combination of value, safety, and timing will automatically migrate to the top of the list. Nobody else does that for you. And if you say that you can do that someplace else, I want to have a conversation with you. I'm putting that out to you right now. So VST stands for value, safety, and timing. It looks at the relative value, relative safety, relative timing. And remember, all of these indicators are proprietary, and all of these indicators are cast on a scale between 0 and 2. The more above 1 it is, the more favorable that indicator is. So the best stock by value, safety, and timing in this list is TK Tankers. It's a stock, it's an industry that's rock and rolling. Now, because I'm looking at it today, let's hit the stream button and let's look at it right now. It's down a little bit today. Does that make me give cause for concern? Absolutely not, because I've got more power in this watch list than I know already. INSW, PXS, CPRX, all the way down the list. And a lot of these stocks I have done videos on at some point in time because, again, they have caught my attention. So as I look at this, as an investor in the market, let's talk about some of the things you'll only find in VectorVest. Every stock in the system has a value. We always want to say we want you to be in undervalued stocks. Folks, that's an intrinsic value on every stock. Stock is currently trading below its value. Now, this is where the rubber meets the roads. It's upside potential, relative value. Relative value at 1.54 lets me know that this stock should outperform a AAA corporate bond by 54% over the next 1 to 3 years. Long term. I like it. Safety. At 1.02, it's above 1, so it's favorable, but not super duper safe. I can find a lot of other super duper more safe stocks in the database. But right now, at least it gives me some inclination that the company consistently makes money quarter over quarter, year over year. This is important. As a trader, is the stock in an uptrend? At 1.86, this stock is definitely in an uptrend. CI, Comfort Index, its price growth persistence. High CI stocks are stocks that consistently go up in price and can withstand long and lengthy price declines. So as an investor in the market, I know it's undervalued. I like that. I know that it's got great upside potential. I like that. I like that it has got safety and that it is really in an uptrend. It's a buy recommendation and its price goes up and up and up and up. That's a stock that I'm willing to buy right now, as long as the stock is going up. I would rather you buy a stock or buy into a stock that's going up than automatically buying into when it's going down. But I like the indicators. I like this long term. Let's go look at INSW. Stock is undervalued. Relative value, great upside potential. The safety, not as good as TNK. All right, so that plays into my role, into the picture of what I want to do with the stock. It is definitely an uptrend, good price growth persistence, and a buy recommendation. I still like this long term, undervalued. Boom, I like that. All right, now, as I go through this list, someone wrote about Palantir in a video that I did, and they said that they bought the stock and that it's gone down 7 days in a row. Let's take a look at this. I'm sure it's in my list. I'm going to sort by symbol. All right, and let's go see if I can go find Palantir. Element, there it is. All right, so now I like Palantir long term, but is it the right time to buy the stock? Stock is grossly overvalued. That puts a damper on things. Fundamentally, relative value. Stock is not poised right now to outperform the market. Relative safety. It's a more riskier stock. Relative timing. The stock's in a downtrend. So someone's going to probably say, well, why did you even talk about Palantir if you don't want me to buy it? First off, let's stop right there. When I talk about a stock on this channel, because I am not a broker, I cannot tell you what stocks to buy and hold or sell. What I do is I look at the news on these stocks, I analyze it in VectorVest, and I do give some insight on the stock. I like long-term what Palantir is doing, but is it the right time right now to buy the stock? And the answer to that is, probably not. Now, I did buy into the stock. I'm going to right click. I'm going to view the stock graph. I did buy into the stock after I did the story. I quickly got out. All right. I got into it somewhere in the price range when it was still looking okay. So I'm looking at 3 and 8 exponential moving averages. The 3 and the 8 cross to the downside. Boom, 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 boom. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days. There's your 7 days. When I did buy into it though, my 3 was above the 8. Very quickly, the 3 crashed below the 8. I got out of the stock. I did time the trade. That doesn't stop me from liking the stock long term because of what they do and because all of the contracts that they are getting. So long term, I still like it. But what do I do now? I wait for a better buying opportunity. And the first thing I'm going to look for is if the 3 on an end of day basis can go back above the 8. So I wanted to put that out there because someone really piled into me on that and said, remind me that I remind them of Cramer. And I was like, whoa. That's not my job. My job is not to tell you what stocks to buy and hold and sell. My job is to give you some insight on stocks that are making the news and helping you to decide whether or not it's a trade that you want to get into. All right, so now I like the analyzation by way of looking at an individual stock, by way of looking at indicators. How about finding out the stocks that have the best price growth persistence, which means in layman's terms that the stocks just keep going up and up and up and up. TNK, INSW. Now, let's go look at SGML. I like the space of lithium. Well, SGML, stock is currently undervalued. I like that. The relative value is above 1. I like that. Safety, I'm going to give up some safety. This is more of an aggressive play. Is it an uptrend? Absolutely. Price growth persistence is there, and it's a buy recommendation. Now, because I know that it's got good upside potential and because it's got undervalued, let's go take a look at that. And remember, folks, I told you if you stay to the end, this is the other kind of insight that I would give you. Let's go look at the stock graph. Let's go put this on a 1-month graph once again. Would I be in it? Wow. So I do like, excuse me, I do like that it was going up, But now, what am I watching right now? I'm watching the 3 and the 8 currently pull together. I'm not out of it yet. All right, I'm not out of it yet. End of day, I'm looking for the 3 to go below the 8. If it does, then I pull the trigger and I get out of that trade. That's a way of mitigating losses so that you don't take big losses in any stock that's out there. So I can use the analysis to gauge whether or not I want to be in it long term or short term. Let's do this. Let's go sort this by relative timing. The stocks that are going up the fastest. All right, let's go look at those. T and K is just up there over and over and over. I want to find a specific stock. Here's one. There it is. Terns Pharmaceutical, 1, overvalued. All right, that's a riskier trade. RV, not above 1. Long term, I don't like it. Safety, below 1. This is a more riskier stock, but it is going up in price. What does that tell me? This is more of a trade. This is not something that I want to buy long-term and hold long-term. It is going up in price. It's got great CI. It's a buy recommendation. Let's go take a look at the graph. View the stock graph. Real quick, put this on a 1-month graph. Leveling out. Now, if I'm in the stock because I liked it because the RT is up, I'm looking at a couple of things right here. Price on end of day looks like it's going to go below, but until it does, I'll leave it be. But I do have a way of giving it a little bit more room just because RT is going up. Let's go see if the stocks can hold this level of support of $9.49, or you can get out simply on the 3 crossing below the 8 because it is more of a trade, not a long-term hold. Folks, I'm hoping for anybody who is a subscriber to the VectorVest software, you understand the power of the VectorVest watch list. Again, nobody else has this. You cannot get this anywhere for free. These indicators, based upon what you see, can help you determine whether or not you want to be in the trade and how long you want to be in the trade because it's got good fundamentals and it's got good upside, or it's just a technical play because RT is above 1. So even with this turn, it does have a buy recommendation. But as I look at that graph, settling out, middling right now, I can make a better decision so I don't encumber big losses on the stock. Folks, if you felt that this was worth it to you, to at least see the power behind what the VectorVest system has to offer, hit the like button. For those of you who are mobile subscribers, you can do this as well. It's a great way to find the hidden gems that are out there that you've kept your eyes on and give you a better understanding on how you want to trade that. Whether it's long-term, whether it's a swing trade, whether it's just a trade, that powerful kind of information helps to make a better trade and mitigate losses. A couple of other things that we've done so far in the past couple of weeks, we've shown you how to create a trading plan. Looking at our trading systems viewer, it will map out when to buy, what to buy, when to sell. We talked about the Profit Locker Pro. There's a link in the description that you can get the Profit Locker Pro free for 14 days, but you've got to do it by way of the link. There's the reps won't be able to give you that because it's only special here. By that link, you can get 14 days free to the Profit Locker Pro. Folks, we do the work, you reap the rewards. There's so much power in this system that a lot of you don't know that you can unlock. These videos about the tools within the VectorVest software will help enlighten you on what you can do and broaden your opportunities to make money at the right time and mitigate losses as well. Folks, this video is over. And until the next time, see ya.